How to create a QR code for Google Forms. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Google application. Tap on this app button, then select Forms from here. Once it opens up, you can log into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and simply create a new form or open an existing one. Now, once the Forms opens up, you need to go ahead and simply tap on this publish button. Inside here, you will see several sharing options. You need to go ahead and simply tap on publish, and now you will be able to find responder link. If you would like to shorten the URL, you can simply check this box, then tap on copy. Once you have copied the URL, open up a new browser. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply search for QR code generator, and now you can simply choose the one that suits you the best. Then inside here, you need to go ahead and simply paste the URL right over here, and just like that, you will be able to find the QR code right over here. If you want to download it, you can simply tap on download, and just like that, you can now print the QR code or share it digitally so people can quickly access your Google form by scanning it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.